Hey guys, today I would like to share you how to get Apple Watch Series 1 on your older Apple Watch. I have done many of these already on my channel, but the old method maybe you cannot follow like the step because it is too many steps. But now with this one it is very simple. So I can get it on my Apple Watch Series SE. Actually, this watch face it is exclusive for the Apple Watch Series 1, but you can get it on your older Apple Watch like Series 4 or Series 5 and even Series 3. And now let me show you how to get it. It is very simple. So what you're gonna do is to go ahead and go into this link, which I will provide it in my video. I will provide in my video description. And then what you're gonna do is scroll down a bit, and this is a watch face that I created by myself, and I upload into Watch Facely. What you're gonna do is you're gonna find this one, and then you're gonna tap on this button and then tap on allow, and it will redirect into the watch app. Then you're gonna click on add to my faces. It is as simple as that. One more thing, you have ability to customize the watch face itself. And now if I select green, it should be turned to green as you can see. And then you have many more color that you can choose, so pick the one that you like and then set it as your current watch face. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Then I will see you guys in the next video.